All right, so it is Sunday, January 25th. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon. Looks like it's starting to snow a little bit again. We warmed up to 18 degrees, and I don't think it's going to get much warmer than that today. So it's extremely cold. We're going to do a cold start on this thing, see if she'll fire. If so, then maybe we'll try to run her out on the road and go around town just a little bit, just see what all's going on. I doubt anything. Show you the road, at least a little road off of where I'm living. That's the road. And yeah, it's packed pretty solid. It's just mixture of sleet, ice, and a few snowflakes, but it's all solid stuff. But let me sit you guys down, see if we can get her to fire. So AMC, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Because you look at this hood, I'm not gonna be able to get that open. Get this baby to warm up and it'll all melt off. Alright, let's see what this thing will do. The old Quadra-Trac will do in the snow and ice, if anything. What do you think? I think this thing will actually do great on it. Yeah, there is nobody on the highway, for good reason. I'll hang you guys out the window. So far, the Quadra-Trac's doing what it's supposed to do. Fortunately, shouldn't be out doing this today, but I am. And this stuff is slick. this old Jeep. I'm so proud of it. Said, too cold to walk today, so we ain't risking it, but listen to her. Purring like a kitten. Like a kitten. Listen to that. Good old American AMC 360. Heck yeah. Yeah.